Working on my white Honda Civic again. It's a 2007 Honda Civic, and every once in a while I got to do something with it. I replaced a couple of these a while back. I replaced this to here a while back. My air conditioner compressor, right down there where you can see my finger, the pulley's right there. That thing's not working right, so I gotta replace the clutch that's on that. So periodically things just have to be done. I'm gonna have to add probably a little bit of brake fluid too. So anyway, what are we doing, Nagini? Nagini was chasing a bug. But this right here is the major problem I'm working on right now. That is the original wheel bearing. Fit right there. That is the brand new wheel bearing. And I'm going to tell you why I'm replacing it. Driving down the road, I mean, it's been slowly doing this and getting worse over time, a long time. Anyway, you can see my back brakes there, brake pads. But anyway, over time, I've been hearing a roar. And over time, it's been getting louder and louder and louder and louder. And I know it's from this side because I'm going to show you what I've been up against here. Now, you see that? And that? This tire, and this is the third time on this back side here that this tire, not the specific tire, but the third time I've had to replace the tire doing the same thing. So I don't have a blowout on the interstate because that's showing wires now. And it goes boom, 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 boom. But over time, and I know it's the wheel bearing that's been causing the problem. And that's the wheel bearing unit there. It takes 2 bolts, or 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, to take them off. And you can see basically in there where those 4 bolts are. Hey, cat, what are you doing? Okay, and you can see the 4 bolts. So where the 4 bolts go. But this being the new one, of course it's nice and clean and pretty. Get that plastic off of there. Nice and clean and pretty. Made in Thailand. See a little part number there. Made in Thailand. But I can't really tell. I mean, a lot of times you can't tell. Not when you've got it off the car and you just got it in your hand, messing with it. You can't always tell. Or when you got the car up on a jack and you spin it, you can't always tell the difference. You can't always tell that it's going bad. At least that's what I've heard. Sometimes it's real obvious, but I think I'm going to fix my problem just by replacing this. I think that roaring sound I've been hearing has been that bearing, and then this new bearing unit is wheel bearing assembly, whatever you want to call it. That's what your back wheel spins on. This part stays connected and that part spins. So I'm gonna get this thing in there, the brand new, and get this all put back together. And I'm gonna have to go get this tire replaced here. And hopefully that'll fix my problem. I really hope it fixes the problem. I'm pretty sure it will.